This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Morrow. Largest floor plan in Section 1 West/good size living and amp, dining areas. Owner has updated the kitchen with new range, refrigerator, dishwasher, disposal, flooring, and amp, lighting. Master bath has a new step-in shower instead of tub, West/new tile, toilet and amp, shower doors plus extra cabinet and amp, grab bars. Owner had installed new water heater in 12/2021. This unit comes furnished with the exception of some electronics, TV hanging on wall in guest bedroom to stay. Owner will take all his wall hangings, pictures. Glassed FL room West/roll-a tint shutters for storm protection and amp, indoor-outdoor carpeting. Open patio West/outdoor furniture. Spacious unit for the money West/all furnishings and amp, household items included. For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Morrow at 772-979-1426.